We're about to pop this out. The pattern's right there, look. Oh, that's up.
Oh, yeah. Separating each one?
Yeah. So right here I have the hood. Right, that's the hood. Front and back bumper. Now we need is all 4 doors, quarters. That's it, huh?
At least rolling nice for the video, huh?
Yeah. It's a workout.
But give yourself space in case you need to move it or whatever. And then you can stretch these up.
That's the easy part,
This is easy.
Do I ask me what color it's going? Because I don't know what color yet.
Door jams?
Door jams. It's gonna be like that brown Jeep that we just did. Kinda. You gotta take the whole door apart. Take the roof.
What kind of Jeep is this?
Sahara.
Sahara?
Wagner.
Wrangler.
Oh shit. Yeah, Sahara edition.
Whose Jeep is this?
Miley Cyrus. I don't know what color it's going to be determined. Make sure there's no scratches or anything. Gotta go over this car. It's brand new, but you never know.
This is electric, huh?
Yeah.
What the hell? Where do you even charge this?
Where do you charge it? I think where the fuel thing is at. There's a...
Why does it say fuel then?
Oh, right here.
Oh, what? That is weird.
I don't know why it has this.
Damn, look at the antenna.
Where?
The antenna.
This? Stupid. Special edition antenna for Miley Cyrus. She got 2, not 1.
It looks like a stick, but it's an antenna.
We got another truck coming in.
And then an Audi.
I don't think, were you here when we did that gray
Yeah.
truck?
Yeah, the gray on gray, huh?
Yeah.
With the white? Satin black on white?
We gotta paint all the hinges. These we gotta take all off. We gotta take all these off, paint them.
What else are we painting? Just the hinges?
Oh, that was an antenna.
Imagine. Probably the emblems. We'll probably knock out the emblems. I don't think.
How about these? Are you gonna do these by hand? Paint this?
Yeah, those we have to paint by hand. Those don't come off. This will be a fun one. You got this.
Yeah.
You got Nino's truck. Got an Audi. This door jam, the Audi door jam. Big
What
ass.
color is the Audi?
I don't. Probably black. Don't matter.
What color is it going?
Satin black. And then.
Yeah, one more, no? There's
Huh?
4? Didn't you have 4?
Yeah.
That PPF one, huh?
And then PPF, but that one's not coming until the end of the week.
Alright.
So we got It's so weird.
Electric.
2 days. We did the other Jeep in 2 days. Could have wrapped the whole thing in 2 days.
Oh.
But like painting and all that, just whenever they finish. I don't think we're starting on it today. Probably start on it tomorrow.
Think so?
We'll probably start taking off like just the emblems today, like little stuff. Get it cleaned up. Pick up the other, bring it back. Chop out that Tesla to him also. Like I said, we'll probably just take out the emblems and then start taking out like little stuff, the door handles, front bumpers, because this had to come off in order for this to come off. Gotta take the back wheel off to be able to wrap that back door.
You think you guys are leaving all the like blue stuff?
Probably.
Or that's gonna get painted too?
He'll probably paint them. Like whatever's chrome, he'll probably paint it satin black.
But the blue, like even the hooks in the front, you know how they're blue?
No, I think he might leave the blue.
It's kind of cool.
It'll look
That's
cool
kinda-
with satin black. No, we did it before.
Cause that's what makes it look like the electric, huh? Cause the E's in blue, so that's like the whole point of the blue.
Yeah. I think this won't stay blue though, because it's gonna be hard to cover
Oh
it.
yeah.
He's just gonna do it all satin black.
What are you doing?
Takes his whole back end apart, homie. In like 30 minutes. Kind of took me a little bit. Kind of took me a little bit longer because I kept getting sand on my eye.
You're not working Saturday, huh? So the homie working extra hours this week.
That just means he's coming in Sunday
What's Sunday?
to make up for Saturday.
That's why I just stayed later today. So I just put 2 hours and then Friday I get to leave it on time.
2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours? Or just stay today for an extra 8 hours.
Damn.
Then you don't gotta worry about it all week.
Hey, how are you gonna do this one?
On my hands.
I was about to say that.
Yeah. You can't do this one whole piece. So it's not like that other one that we did last time.
You want to do that and I'll do this?
What are we doing?
Finish taking out those emblems.
Yeah.
Always be my little son. Cuz, huh?
We'll see when the dog comes.
Huh?
It's gonna be really easy.
Huh, Bobby? How he gives kisses.
What? My horse.
How he gives kisses.
Remember, Carlos, you were like, what puppy?
Dude, seriously. But,
She's in the bully easy. She was in the cage and she was like,
oh yeah.
How?
hi baby.
That's a beautiful color. My God. If you guys can only see my Theo's dog, Baloo, that dog is legendary.
He's like, right?
Yeah, that was the first French that I came across that looked fake. Like it was too perfect. I was like, this dog doesn't.
He's like,
Proportions are proper.
The only thing I don't like about her is she's gonna carry. She has Brendo in her.
Oh,
I like that.
Well, I like it if it means no. I like it if it.
What's Brindle?
Brendel, the striping,
Oh.
You get what I'm saying? Like, it has to be.
she's
She's really nice though.
got some coloration.
Yeah.
Who knows how that's gonna mature?
It's crazy how it changes.
Oh, dude, it's amazing. You think you got one thing, you got another thing after that.
I'm a little too.
You're supposed to go to sleep. No.
Take her with you to the office.
Distractions.
Don't you like attention?
No.
I want to be IG famous.
Damn.
Don't you like attention?
It's
I want to be
not
IG
gonna
famous.
happen.
It is.
No, it's not.
It will if you keep posting.
Wait, what does that have to do with this?
You said attention.
I said, isn't that too much tension though?
Oh, nah. Heat it up.
The shoelace.
She untied
Pulling
her
on
shoe.
his shoelace.
She untied my shoe.
learn how to time, so a dog can time.
She bit my ear hard. Dude.
It hurts because it's like little ass teeth. Easy.
I love how puppies smell.
Let's go! Monday!
That's Baby Yoda.
Little poo-poo head, little pee-pee head. Wakes me up all damn night to go poop.
Where's the truck?
Over here.
Where'd you drive it in?
Huh?
Where'd you drive it in?
Over here.
Yeah?
That shit's crazy.
How the fuck did you turn right there?
Well, he was just guiding me as I was like turning, but I mean, it made it.
That's looking crazy.
We got the homie Ezie from Ezie Wraps truck at the Black Diamond.
What?
That is boom.
Yeah.